product was sent to me by the brand, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the manual food processor vegetable chopper, 5 millimeters, and it's completely portable. What I really like about this is that it doesn't require electricity, no cords, no battery, no setup. You simply attach the blade to the bottom and add your ingredients. Then you lock the lid like this, and you pull the string. The more time you pull, the finer you chop. So you actually control the texture, and the blades are made of stainless steel and they're very sharp. So everything chops evenly and quickly. And compared to using a knife, you're not directly touching the blade during use, which is safer to use. It's also quieter than an electricity processor, which I really like. It's mess-free, and cleaning is simple. So you just wash these two parts. The ball and blades are detachable, so you can rinse everything directly with water with no complicated parts. This works great for garlic, onions, ginger, herbs, even small portions of meat for making salsa. Because it's compact, it doesn't need power, it's also perfect for camping, small kitchens, and if you want something simple, easy to clean, and save time in the kitchen, this is a good option to consider.